The Arewa Youth Federation has charged PDP and Labour Party to exhibit sportsmanship and accept defeat, claimed that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu won the tribunal. This was made known during a peaceful protest concerning the Presidential Election Tribunal in Abuja, as the National Coordinator Ijo Youth for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Comrade Daniel Okrego, spilled that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will take Nigeria to its climax.
We extend an olive branch to those presidential candidates who may have been aggrieved by the tribunal's decision. We implore them earnestly to demonstrate sportsmanship and exhibit a clear and unquestionable belief in our judiciary. We have followed with keen interest and patriotic vigor the proceedings of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. A judgment has been passed, and in which our noble President Bola Ahmed Tinubu emerged victorious. This is a testament and further confirmation to the fact that the resilience of our democracy and the commitment of the judiciary to be above board in dispensing justice dispassionately, in spite of the attempt by some unpatriotic elements to twist, subjugate, and blackmail the judges into doing their biddings. The journey to this moment has been filled with challenges, scrutiny, and rigorous legal processes.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is already putting things in place that in the next few months you will see that this country will get to the peak it has never gotten to before. I believe it so much, and those who are really following what have been put in place, young people who are gifted, who know what they are doing, have been put in position to be able to fix what is needed to be fixed in Nigeria in the earliest possible time. Based on what INEC has declared, that is what we stand upon, and we believe very clearly, because the evidence are there, that it will be in our favor. We've gone through every document, we've gone through the court processes, we've gone through everything they have been talking, we've been reading all through what they have presented to the court, and we believe victory is sure for us.
And then the structure of the elections reflected that the votes counted. In our strongholds, we lost elections, right? And then we gained some new strongholds. So why would you now come and say, because you lost elections in some of your strongholds and we also did the same? How is it even possible? As you can see, the president is not even in the country. He's going around doing his lawful official duties in faraway India. So he's not even perturbed about this, because we have very good lawyers that have been assembled and they've done their job. So today we're just expecting them to affirm the votes that were cast for Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Meanwhile, Madam Rose urges the judiciary to give the mandate to Peter Obi, while another obedient member opposed President Tinubu's victory.
May judiciary do the right thing. We don't come here and come fight. The facts are obvious. Obi wins the election. Even the woman when they stab for eyes, he go through the self, come vote Peter Obi. And so Luama was openly threatening people not to vote. He said not to cancel the election. So if they are saying that Obi did not win, cancel the election. That is my stand. Obi won this election. Tinubu did not get 25% in FCT. Tinubu only in get drug case. Only in not get results. Only in get dual citizenship. And yet you want to declare him president. We will revolt against it. We cannot be refugees in our own countries. We are citizens and not refugees. Me personally would rather be a rebel than a slave in this Nigeria. Declare Obi the president and let's have peace. And that's the period.
Because the definition of democracy says that it is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So if the people cannot choose who is their leader, we don't have any democracy. All we are asking from the judiciary is very simple. It is justice. All eyes on the judiciary is just a slogan for justice. Both the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary, they are all arms of government, and they are subject to criticisms from the people, because Section 14 of the 1999 Constitution states that the authority and powers belong to the people, and the people give it to the Constitution, who give it to these people in government. If the people have said we don't give you our powers, we have collected it, and we decided who we gave those powers.
However, the APC youth leader, Dayo Israel, disclosed that
is that when the lion is walking in the jungle, other animals are quiet. They take cover. You can see the results in the election spoken. The highest number of votes belong to His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If you don't have that vote and you have not gone to court to claim that you have that vote, it is not possible for you to speak when victors are speaking. So it's just a natural silence from those who have only created a drama on social media to create an impression, but there's no substance.
Atonda Babatunde, GTV Africa.